Hey guys, this is Keith here, the Fat Yankee. Guys, how are you? So we are going to make another beef jerky recipe today, guys. So listen, we are going to use some of my favorite with a little Coke. We're going to use some Jack Daniels, some Tennessee whiskey. This one's called Tennessee whiskey beef jerky, guys. So this is like a little bit of a play on TGI Fridays. And if you've ever had Fridays chicken, if you've ever had a Fridays burger, it's like a TGI's Fridays sauce. Okay, guys. So it has a nice fruity influence as well. So we're going to use some pineapple, okay? With this, you're going to use some pineapple juice, some minced pineapple. We're going to use some extract, okay? Guys, so you know, if you know me, you watch my videos, I always use a fruity extract to infuse that fruit flavor inside the beef, guys, because it's very difficult, again, to put a fruit flavor inside of a beef jerky, okay? So I call it the power of 3, and I use 3 different types of things, fruit flavors, to infuse the beef. So, guys, we're going to get started here and make this Tennessee whiskey beef jerky, guys. This is a nice sweet beef jerky with a nice little fruity pineapple flavor, my friends. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So we're going to put some onion in here. Okay, some onion powder. So sometimes you can use now minced onion in this too, guys. And I'm just going to push this back so you can see me. All right. I got to get my camera crew to, my big camera crew to help me out over here. You guys all know I'm a crazy video editor, right? You're total opposite, right? Definitely not a video editor, guys. This is a one-shot deal with the Fat Yankee. If it's a one take, it's a one take and it's good. If it's not good, we still put it on, right? So guys, listen, let's get started here. We're gonna do we'll do some granulated onion powder here for our first ingredient. We're gonna put 3 tablespoons of this, okay, friends? So let me just get in here and get 3 tablespoons. And again, guys, as you know, we start off with our delicious Black Angus beef, guys. All right, so we got some nice onion flavor in there, my friends. And let me get gloved up here. Forgot to get gloved up. So yeah, this is just about 2 pounds, guys, of Black Angus beef. So we're gonna mix this up here when we're all through. But we'll go through the rest of the ingredients, my friends, and we'll get rolling. So next thing we're going to put in here, guys, is we're going to put in some brown sugar, okay? So some brown sugar in this. And with the brown sugar, I'm going to put in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar in here. All right? So get a nice sweet jerky here, my friends, okay? So then we're going to do our soy sauce, guys, and we're going to put in 1/2 cup of this soy sauce, all right? So 1/2 cup of soy, which we're going to use, friends, for our cure. Now, you probably noticed that that's a little bit light on what I normally put in for soy. Usually put in, for 2 pounds, usually put in about 1 cup. But we're going to use some teriyaki sauce in this too to give it a nice sweet flavor, and that's going to cure the meat as well, okay? So we got our soy sauce here, we got our brown sugar in here, guys. And let's see what we got here next. We're going to do 3/4 of a cup of teriyaki sauce, okay? So let's get some teriyaki sauce in there, guys. Gunk, 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 gunk. All right, nice teriyaki flavor. That's gonna cure nice. All right, guys. And so now we're gonna put in some what you call it? What are we gonna put in here? 1/2 cup of Jack Daniels. That's what we're gonna put in here, baby. Yes, sir. Sipping back on Grandpa's moonshine. Good stuff. Jack Daniels. We're gonna put 1/2 cup of this in there, my friends. All right. Jack Daniels. A little bit extra. A little bit extra on the Jack Daniels. All right. There we go. And now, guys, we're gonna use some of the pineapple extract, okay? So we're going to put some pineapple extract in. And this is the brand I always get, guys, if you can see this. Pineapple extract. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of this pineapple extract. Give it a nice fruity flavor, my friends. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice pineapple flavor. You know you get that pineapple flavor when you taste that TGI Fridays you know, that chicken or that burger. It's a delicious flavor that keeps you, that pineapple and that brown sugar that really keeps you, makes you want to keep eating that stuff. Okay guys, so we got our extract in here. We are going to use some cayenne pepper. And so we're going to use about half a tablespoon of this, my friends. There we go. Spread that around. Give it a little spice. And now we are going to use our crushed pineapple and pineapple juice. So I got these two together, my friends, and we're going to use a half a cup of this, okay? So I got the minced pineapple together along with the pineapple juice, and I just kind of minced this all together. So I'm going to use about a half a cup of this. If you get a little bit more in there, not a big deal. It's going to give it a nice pineapple flavor, okay? This is going to mix up nice in there. And if you don't have an extract, use a marmalade. You guys always see me using marmalades or jellies too, and that's good stuff. That goes good to get that power of 3 to extract the you know, the minced fruit in the marmalade, something like that, or a juice like a cider or a pineapple juice for that matter. So guys, this is almost done here. We're gonna add just another sweetener, my friends. The sweetener that I'm gonna add next is gonna give it a nice glossy finish, a nice honey we're going to add to this, and we're going to put a half a cup of honey in here, and let's make this nice, and it's going to be nice and sweet. You know what? That's not going to work. Let's do this. Let's take this right off, guys, because we'll be here all day putting this honey in if I wait for that. So there we go. Nice half a cup of honey, my friends. Go. Yeah, put a little bit more in there too. I love honey. Love honey and jerky on my sweet jerky. So that's going to put a nice glaze on it too, guys. So that's that. Let that drip off. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to take my spoon here, kind of scoop out the rest of that honey. Just like that. And that's it. We are finished. Okay? So guys, this is our Tennessee whiskey beef jerky. I'm going to mix this up here, guys, show you what this looks like. This has a lot of nice color in it too, and this is going to be cooked up in a couple of days. Oh man, I can smell that that whiskey and that pineapple. This is going to be delicious, my friends. Okay, nice color in there. I love making jerky when it's got nice colors in it too, you know, nice fruit flavors, and you can really smell this this pineapple. It smells absolutely delicious, all right? So there we are, my friends. I'm going to show you what this looks like here. And we're going to marinate this again, guys, 48 hours. If you get an opportunity, hand toss it after 24 and make it, you know, nice and get that cure in there, okay, guys? So here we go. Tennessee whiskey beef jerky, guys. In the oven or in the dehydrator, guys. Get the beef jerky guide. I tell you how to cook this stuff, how long, you know, how long to marinate it for, what temperatures to cook it at, and so on and so forth, guys. Tennessee whiskey, try it out. If you try it out, leave me a comment for you on the video here. I have a lot of folks that are using my recipes and they're leaving me some fantastic comments. So I love to hear the feedback, guys. So hey, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Next week we're going to be doing some blackened. I want to get a chance to show you guys what we do here at the Fat Yankee 2 with our water activity test. So I'm going to be doing some water activity testing for those folks that want to take beef jerky to the next level. We're going to be doing some of that, and I'm going to be talking about some different things with the Department of Agriculture and the regulations and stuff like that as far as HACCP plans go. So a lot of interesting stuff for that person who makes beef jerky but wants to take it to the next level. We're going to be doing some great videos on that too, guys. So hey, again, Fat Yankee, guys, thanks for watching, my friends. We'll see you in the next video next week, okay?